New Chinese AI agent is insane. Wan 2.7 just changed AI video forever. AI video just broke the regeneration loop. You know the one. Generate. Something's off. Regenerate. Still off. Regenerate again. Most AI video tools treat every edit like a brand new job. Wan 2.7 doesn't. This model from Alibaba just launched, and it lets you edit video the same way you edit text. Type what you want changed. Keep everything else done. Stick around because this one is worth understanding properly. Hey, I'm Ava. I cover AI tools that actually change how you work, not just the ones that look impressive in a demo. Today, we're breaking down Wan 2.7, Alibaba's latest AI video model. It just went live, it's open source, and it does something most AI video tools still can't do. Let's get into exactly what that is, how to access it, and what makes it worth your time. Here's the problem with AI video right now. Generation is easy. Iteration is painful. You generate a clip. The character looks slightly different than last time. The lighting shifted. One element in the background is wrong. So you go back to the prompt, try to fix it, and generate the whole thing again from scratch. And then again. And again. That's not a workflow. That's a slot machine. Wan 2.7 is Alibaba's answer to that. Instead of treating every change as a full regeneration, this model lets you take an existing video and edit specific parts of it using plain text instructions. The rest of the video, the lighting, the texture, the character movement, stays exactly as it was. That shift from regeneration to editing is the most important thing happening in AI video right now, and Wan 2.7 is the open source model doing it. So what is Wan 2.7 exactly? It's the latest release in Alibaba's Wan model family, a series that's been quietly building one of the strongest open source video generation lineups out there. Previous versions like Wan 2.1 and Wan 2.6 focused on generation quality, motion smoothness, and longer clip support. Wan 2.7 keeps all of that and adds a full editing layer on top. The platform lives at Wan.video. It covers the full production pipeline, generating new video from text or images, editing existing footage through instructions, referencing subjects across shots, and driving motion with precise frame control. Clips go up to 15 seconds at 1080p, and the model supports up to 5 simultaneous reference subjects, which becomes important when we talk about consistency. More on that in a second. How do you get access? Simplest option, go to Wan.video, create a free account, and use it directly in the browser. No setup, no local install required. If you want to use it through an API for building automated workflows or integrating it into a pipeline, Alibaba has their video editing API documented through Alibaba Cloud Model Studio at alibabacloud.com. You can also access Wan 2.7 through SegMind, which has the model live right now. Pricing on SegMind is per request, 0.625 for 720p and 0.9375 for 1080p per clip. For developers who want to run it locally, the Wan GitHub repository is where Alibaba has historically published open source weights and documentation. That's the place to watch for the full Wan 2.7 open source release. Now let's talk about the 3 things that actually make this model different. Number 1, instruction editing. This is the core feature and the one that changes your day-to-day workflow the most. You upload an existing video. You type what you want changed. The model makes that specific change and leaves everything else intact. Change the weather in a scene, swap out what a character is wearing, alter the color of a building in the background, add or remove objects from a shot, change the background from summer to autumn, apply a visual style effect. All of this through a simple text instruction without touching the rest of the footage. According to Alibaba's documentation, you can also adjust camera settings through instructions, position, angle, shot size, lens type, focal length, without regenerating the clip. You can modify character behaviors and camera angles while keeping the character's identity and the scene intact. Think about what that means practically. You're not burning time on full regenerations every time a client wants a tweak. You're making targeted edits, faster iterations, less wasted output. Before we keep going, if you're serious about building AI into your workflows and want to learn from people actually doing it, check out AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members sharing what works, what doesn't, and which tools are actually worth the time. Not theory. Real implementation. Links in the description. Number 2, consistency. Getting a character to look the same across multiple shots is one of the hardest unsolved problems in AI video. Different angle, slightly different face, different lighting, slightly different appearance. By clip 3, you're not even sure it's the same person anymore. WAN 2.7 tackles this with multi-reference support. You can now feed the model up to 5 video references for a single subject, different angles, different lighting conditions, different poses. The model processes all of them and uses that combined input to hold the subject's appearance stable across the generated content. That's a significant jump from previous versions, which supported far fewer reference inputs. More references means the model has a richer understanding of your subject, and the output consistency reflects that directly. On top of visual consistency, WAN 2.7 supports combining a subject reference with a voice reference in one pass. The character looks the same and sounds the same across outputs. For digital presenters, branded characters, or any content series where identity needs to stay locked, that combination matters a lot. Number 3, fluidity. This is about how the video actually moves. WAN 2.7 has improved motion dynamics compared to previous versions. Character movement is smoother, more physically plausible. Alibaba rebuilt the foundation model with a stronger understanding of physics, gravity, momentum, anatomy, so movement looks like it belongs in the scene rather than slightly wrong in a way that's hard to name but easy to notice. The feature that gives you the most control over this is first and last frame generation. You define the opening shot. You define the closing shot. The model generates the motion in between. You know exactly how the clip starts and ends. The model handles the transition. There's also the 9-grid image input feature. You provide 9 reference images arranged in a 3x3 grid, and the model processes all of them together. One reference image gives the model one angle. 9 images give it a full spatial understanding of the subject or environment. That richer input directly improves how coherent and smooth the generated motion looks, especially in complex scenes. 3 quick tips before you go. When you're starting out, keep it simple. One subject, one action, one lighting setup. Get comfortable with how the model reads your inputs before stacking complexity on top. When using instruction editing, be precise. Change the background is vague. Change the background to a rain-soaked city street at night with wet pavement and distant streetlights is a direction. The model responds to specificity. Use the seed parameter if you're iterating on a prompt and need to compare outputs fairly. It locks the randomness so you can actually see what your prompt change did, not just a different random generation. Here's the bottom line on WAN 2.7. The editing capability is real, it's documented, and it's live right now at wan.video. For anyone building AI video workflows, the shift from full regeneration to instruction-based editing is the most practical improvement this model brings. Combined with multi-reference consistency and improved motion quality, this is the most complete open-source video model available right now. Go try it at wan.video. The browser version is free to start. See what it can do with your actual content before you decide whether it belongs in your workflow. If you want to go deeper on AI tools and how to actually use them, AI Profit Boardroom is where I'd point you. Over 2,000 people, real experiences, no hype. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time. Link in the description, and if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes plus access to a community of 58,000 members. Links in the comments and description. That's it. WAN 2.7 is live. Go check it out.